Hi students, good morning to one and all. So, my dear students, in previous class we discussed and solved some questions which is given in your workbook. So, today also we are solving little bit more questions. So, everyone ready? So, open now workbook and let's start the class. So, in previous class we solved till here. So, today we are solving these questions comparing and ordering. So, all of you already know about comparing. So, how do you comparing between numbers? So, let's solve these questions. So, by comparing numbers you should insert greater than, smaller than sign, then underline the digits you are comparing. So, first you compare between two numbers, then put this sign. So, how do you know which number is greater than and which number is smaller than? By comparing which digit, then you write this digit. So, I already told you when you compare between two numbers, that time you always start from your left side, that means from highest place. So, here you can see ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So, thousand place is the highest place. So, you start from 1000 plus. So, now compare here. So, here in 1000 place 6 is there, here also 6. So, both are same. So, now what can you do? Move to next. Here 8, here 3. So, which one is greater, 8 or 3? 8 is greater. So, you put this symbol always this side to greater number. So, now I underline, I compare between 8 and 3, then I came to know that 6876 is greater number. So, how can I know that? By comparing 8 and 3 digit. So, like this you can solve these all questions, because you already solved this type of questions in previous classes. So, now I solve another one. Now I solve this one f. So, here we start from left side. Here in left side 2 is there. So, here also 2. So, both are same. So, now I move to next number. Here 1, here also 1. So, both are same. Now move to next number. Here 5 or here 6. So, which one is greater, 5 or 6? Very good, 6 is greater. So, I put this symbol. So, this number is greater than from this number. 2166 is greater than 2156. By which number? By comparing which digits you get? Yes, by comparing this 5 and this 6. So, I underline, because in question given underline the digits you comparing. So, I comparing between 5 and 6. So, I underline. Understood everyone? So, now move to next question. Yes, what is given here? Same question. Insert greater than or less than sign. Write the place and the digits you are comparing in your notebook. Read the question again. Insert greater than or less than sign. Write the place and the digits you comparing in the notebook. In previous class we only comparing the digits. Here also we write the place, which place we compare. Understood everyone? So, now see here. Here 2481, here 4218. So, same thing you can do here. You should compare from your left side. Now, you saw here which number is there? 2. Here 4. So, which one is greater than 4000? So, I put this symbol, this open paste towards 4218. So, by comparing which digit we know? By comparing 2. So, you can write by comparing 2 and 4, we know that this number is greater. Then another thing is there, write the place value. So 2 is present in thousand place, 4 is also present in thousand place. So you write 2 and 4 thousand place, 2 and 4 thousand place. Understood everyone? First you find which one is greater by comparing the digits. Then you find out these digits are present in which place. Yes, very good. These digits are present in thousand place. So you can find out here simply. So now in same way you should do these all questions. So I solve another question. I solve this F1. See here, here given 7346, here 7389. So how can I compare between these two numbers? I start from always left side, here 7, here 7, here 3, here 3. So now here 4 and here 8. Which one is greater? 8 is greater. So I put this symbol. So by comparing which digit you get, you know that this number is greater by comparing 4 and 8. And 4 and 8 are present in which place? 4 and 8 are present in tens place. So you write by comparing tens place the digits 4 and 3, we came to know that this number is greater than from this number. Understood everyone? So I hope all of you understood these questions. So now move to next question. Here ordering of numbers. So we already discussed and we also saw some examples to find out this ordering of numbers. How can you order the numbers? Just think about previous questions. In previous questions we just compare between two numbers. Am I right? We just compare between two numbers, then we came to know that which one is greater and which one is smaller. But here 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers are given. So here we have to compare between 4 numbers. Between 4 numbers. Here we compare between 2 numbers. Here we compare between 4 numbers. Then we write in ascending order and descending order. So what is the question? Arrange the numbers in each set in the ascending order. So now here we can arrange these numbers in ascending order. So first thing is, what do you mean by ascending order? What do you mean by ascending order? So ascending order means the number from small to, yes, very good, big, small to big, small to, when you arrange these numbers in small to big, then these are called ascending orders. So how can you find smaller number than bigger number? We already did it, am I right? I think all of you remember this. If you forget, then the same trick you apply here. How can you do? You always start from left side. So you see here in left side, here 2, here 1, here 1, here 1. So 2, 2, 1, 1 is less than from 2. So now I compare between these two numbers to get the smallest number, because here 2 and 2 is there. So now here 1, 1 is there. So I compare between this number and with this number to find out which one is smallest number. So now move to here 0, here 6. But when you compare between 0 and 6, which one is smaller number? Yes, 0 is the smaller number. So between these 4 number, this number is the smallest number. So I write this number first, 1036. Then after that, which number is left? These 3 number is left. Here in 1000 place 2 is there, but here 1 is there. So this number, next number you write this number, 1685. So now I compare between these two numbers. Here in 1000 place 2 is there, here also 2, here 1, here also 1. Now compare in tens place 7, here 0. When you compare between 7 and 0, you can easily know that this number is greater and this number is smaller. So I write the smaller one first, that is 2105. Then rest 2171. I hope all of you understood. So again I told you, when you arrange the numbers in ascending or in descending, that time you compare between the all given numbers. So, how can you compare? The same thing you can do. You always start from your left side, that is from highest place. So, what do we mean by ascending order? Ascending order means smaller to bigger. So, you first write smaller, then little bit bigger, then little bit bigger, then little bit bigger, means it is arranged in increasing order, smaller to bigger. So, same thing you can do here. Here arrange the numbers in each set in descending order. What is given here? Ascending order, but here you should arrange in descending order. What do you mean by descending order? Tell me, students. Yes, very good. Descending order means bigger to smaller, means the opposite of ascending order. Here you can do the alternate. Here you can find the biggest number first, then little bit smaller, then little bit smaller. That is, you arrange the numbers in bigger to smaller. So, how can you find? The same way you compare from here. Here 6, here 6, here 6, here 6. So, now we can't find which one is greater and which one is smaller. Then next you have to move to next number. Here 7, here also 7, here also 7, here also 7. So, these all digits are same in all the 4 numbers. So, now move to next. Here 3, here 7, here 6, here 8. So, which one is greater? 8 one is greater. So, you write this number first, 6783, because why I write this number? We have to write this now in descending order. So, in descending order we have to write the greatest number first. Then here 8, here 3, here 7 and 6. So, which one is greater? Then this number, right? 6774. Next 6, 6768. Next 6732. Understood everyone? Here you have to compare between all the 4 numbers. Then you come to know that which one is greater, then which one is smaller. Then you know the meaning of descending order. Descending order means bigger to smaller, then you write easily. I hope all of you understood what we read today, and these things you can do in your workbook and in your notebook also. When you are writing this, keep in your mind your handwriting should be neat and clean. And another thing, if till now you don't subscribe the channel, then first subscribe the channel. Then you go to my playlist, you can find the previous videos also. So, students, another thing is there, like the video and comment in this video. You write your name as comment, which is considered as your attendance, and read properly in your room, don't waste time. So, students, thank you.